Hey guys, DRH here. So today we're gonna open the Elgato Stream Deck XL. So just got this baby. I always want one. Don't even know why, but I want one. That's the back of the box. So there's so many things you can do with it. I was watching a video the other day, and like you know what, I'm gonna get one. So let me break this seal open here really quick, and we'll do a quick review. Up. These are really sticky. Alright, let's flip it over so we don't drop it. Because, yay, look at this. I'm excited about this one. Really excited about opening this product. Get that box out of the way. So first thing you see is the book with instructions, which tells me I'm gonna have to read. This one, I'll actually have to read this book. Then it comes in this nice protective case. It's kind of heavy. And let's see, that is the Stream Deck. Comes with a nice braided cable and an Elgato thingy, and I think the rest is just packaging. Like nothing else in there. So we're just gonna I'm gonna take the box apart because there's nothing there. I'm confident that there's nothing else in there. So put that away. They send a little booklet. Not really sure why. It's probably like the warrant information. They always put that separate. Probably like some legal reason for that. So it comes all nice and packaged up in this nice blanket, so it doesn't scratch. I'm assuming, and there it is. Look at that. Look at those guys. That's nice and shiny. Look at that. It's never gonna look like this again, ever. This is the first time. The only time that's gonna look like that. Alright, so I had to throw the trash out. Buttons are really nice. See, I'm already like... Actually, I don't think they show fingerprint that much, which is good. So it might look like this. I'm touching this one here, and there's not much of a difference. So this is magnetic. So if you don't want the stand, and you prefer to having your desk like this, you can just use it like this. Like really nice, and I feel like you can make music. Program different sounds each. Kind of this anti-slip surface. So there's like the plastic in here for you to take it out for the anti-slip surface. Place to route your cable through, which is actually really nice. So it looks nice and neat in your desk. So you take your cable, let's do that. And then you come with this. Yep. Now you can just route it through right here. And it's just big enough to fit your USB. Of course, you could have done the other way too, right? They didn't even need to make this that big. They should have made this big, but they actually made big enough for this end. You go here. Well, we're going to find out where to plug it in. Oh, there it is, all the way in the side over here. I thought it was going to be over here, but no, they're putting the side. So, and this is a USB, like the new ones, the newer USB cables, which is nice. And USB-C, I think it's called, right? Pretty sure it's USB-C. And then we put that in there. Just make sure our cable's not twisted in there, because that would be bad. Perfect. See? The cable gets routed through perfectly inside there. And now all we have to do is plug it in, and we have here, but that's well. And there it is. That's the Elgato symbol. I probably should just do this so you guys can see it better for now. It'll be easier for you guys. And I like the sound it makes. It's pretty nice. So I see that my computer already detected Steam Deck XL. If I had this configured, see, I could push a button and show you guys my computer detecting it, but I don't have a configure yet, so cannot do that. switching scenes, it's not gonna be that easy. So I got some software download to download and install. Um, I have to install that on my computer, of course, and then do some programming. But I'll definitely make a review for you guys. I like it how it feels. I'm excited about this product. I haven't been excited about getting something like in a while now. So this is really good. This just feels really nice. I wish my keyboard just made out of these keys. You know what I mean? My keyboard should have like screens like this. It like surprises me that it doesn't, right? But it really should have the screens. That would be so awesome. Like you can change your keyboard and yeah. My whole keyboard should be a Stream Deck. Stream Deck should make a keyboard as a matter of fact because this case feels amazing. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this very quick unboxing. I am gonna program this thing so all the required software, and I'll make another video later showing you guys how to program it, and do even a review and let you guys know how it works and how I like it after a while. So hope you enjoy, having a great day, and take care.